Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick ponytail tutorial of this ponytail that I purchased from Temu. So if you want to see how I attach this ponytail on, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, also turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so today is going to be a quick little tutorial. I have this ponytail here that I purchased from Temu since the summertime, right? The proper name, let me give it the proper name. The proper name is the long Yaki wraparound clip-in ponytail. All right, of course it's synthetic. The color is 1B and it's 22 inches. Like I said before, the texture is Yaki straight, and this was how much? It was only like $5. So I figure I'll try it out today. So let me show you guys how it looks. So if you look at it, it's just a ponytail, right? It comes like this. Right, and then you see it has a clip right here, and then on the outside it has velcros, right? And then here it has the small piece, there's a velcro in the middle, and then the small piece that you wrap around the ponytail once you attach it. Ready? So basically if you go like this and you hook it, you just hook it right here onto the velcro, right? And then when you're done, you just wrap this piece around. So we're going to attempt to put it around our hair. So first of all, you just want to make sure that you have a nice ponytail here yourself. So this is how my hair looks, right? This is how my hair looks. I'm just going to put my hair up in one. Let's just do it over. Just put your hair in one ponytail, right? And all you basically need is a scrunchie, or if you have to brush your hair. So I have one little scrunchie here. My hair is a little thick. Okay. You could make it, like if you want it high, you could do it high. If you want it lower, you can do it lower. So mine is just in the middle. So I'm gonna turn around so you could see my hair. And I just put some edge control. I'm not really sure how it's looking in the back, but that's how my hair is looking. So I'm just gonna do like a little twist with my hair, right? I'm not gonna braid it. I'm just going to do a little twist like so, just to tame it a little bit. And I'm just going to get an elastic. I'm going to get a rubber band. I'm going to put it on the ends of this here, right? And then I'm just going to put one in the middle of the ponytail, of my little part that I twist. Just, make it a little bit smaller, right? Like so. All right, so now, very simple. I think I may have to turn around. I'm gonna turn around. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put the clip into my ponytail. Let me zoom you guys in, make sure you could see it. All right, so I'm gonna put the clip into my hair, and all I'm gonna do is just take the Velcro like this, right, and just attach it. It's so easy. You see? So if you look at it that way, it's just attached. The clip is in. You have to make sure it's in properly so it doesn't irritate your ear. All right, let's see. All right. So I'm basically just hiding my hair. I'm gonna see if I can do it a little bit tighter. Do it a little bit tighter. So just go all the way around. Right? Okay. I'm gonna do it again because I feel like the comb is jamming. I feel like the comb is sticking me a little. All right, so let's do it again. Try to keep this part separate. So stick it in. I want you guys to see. Velcro all the way around. Right? Hopefully you guys could see what I'm doing, right? Okay. Now the hair that's left over, you're just going to make sure everything is nice and neat, right? And then you're gonna just take this piece, right? And just wrap it. Wrap it around. So, right, just take it and just keep going around until it's all gone. Right? Let me see if I can turn around. You could see. Not sure how it's looking, but I figure it should be neat. Alright? So I just brush that part out. And just keep wrapping, right? See? Keep wrapping. And now I'm gonna get a hairpin and just secure it. It's really secure, but I'm gonna get a hairpin. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a hairpin and just stick it in the ponytail just to make sure that it's secured, right? And just that easy, you have a ponytail, right? You're just making sure it's smooth. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. Wasn't that the easiest thing? See? And then if I bring it to the front, it goes to like right here. And that's how you do this little ponytail. I mean, for $5, if you have to go somewhere and you need a quick style, right? And you don't have time, you just, you know, do this part for like about 30 minutes. You put some edge control, you tie it down, and then when it's time to go, it takes you a few minutes. So my hair is well secured under here, right? And that's how you do this little ponytail. So if you're looking for something very quick and easy and simple, then I would suggest, if you're not going to get the one from Temu, you don't have to, you can just get one from Amazon. Okay, so if I can find one from Amazon, I will leave it down in the description section for you, and I will also leave the one in the description for the one from Temu for it was actually $4.49. So, you know, you can just change your look that fast, right? And if you don't want to wear it down, you can always, you know, I think you can wrap it up wrap it in a little bun, or do something else. This is probably not going to be neat, but that's just another idea. So I'm just tucking this in. So it's not going to be neat, but I'm just giving you an idea. Like if you want to wear it up, you can wear it up, right? Like I said, I don't know how my hair is looking back here, but if you want to wrap it up, you can wrap it up. It's not staying because I didn't pin it, but that's just another suggestion. So that is my quick and simple ponytail instruction tutorial. Okay guys, so there you have it. So let me show it to you again. That's the ends of how they're looking. So it just goes like a little bit below my boob. There you have it. Cute and quick change. Just like that, guys, we have come to the end of the video. Like I said, this is a very quick tutorial. I've had this ponytail for a while and I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick little demonstration. So if you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up. I'll be sure to leave the links down in the comments section for you guys. All right, give it a thumbs up, share with a friend that you think it will be helpful too. Subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your post notification bell, that way you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.